Hey everyone, this is Roman with here with WhiteCrowSecurity. We've heard from a few of you that you don't receive your 7-day trial email from DMXSmartLink. So today I'm showing you a fail-proof way to get support, download links, and troubleshooting help without ever relying on email. All right. So as you can see, Discord. If you've hit to get trial on 7-day trial page but never saw that email hit your inbox, you're not alone. Sometimes it lands in the spam folder or the junk folder, depending on who your email provider is. I know if you have Gmail, it's spam. Or your email server might block it entirely. Before you give up, do two things. Let's see. Search your spam or junk folder for WhiteCrowSecurity.com. So let's do that. Okay. So to join this awesome Discord server, let's see. If you actually go to our 7-day trial link, just click here and you'll join it. That's the easiest, fastest way. But if you really need the email, and you will probably when you're going to get your license key, click here. Oops. Not that one. I don't know why that's up. Let's see, which one is it? It's... Really? Bruh. Maybe this one. Alright, so here's an example of email, right? So if you didn't get it, it's the spam folder, but you don't see it here. You actually have to click more right there and click spam, and you should see it here. Alright, awesome. So that's basically it for that. And, you know, we look... But for the fastest, most reliable way to grab your trial download and to get live help, jump into our official Discord community. Let's see. In Discord, we have a pinned message in the trial support right here. See it? With the download links and everything you need for your 7-day license key, and we'll help you out to get it, make sure everything works fine. And step-by-step instruction, no email required. We'll figure it out. If need be, I can always send you the trial key directly through Discord if you're really having issues. Okay? Let's see. Okay, I'll throw that up later. And if you haven't already checked out our 7-day trial walkthrough video, link up here to see every step from installing to activating your license. Make sure you go ahead and visit that video. I'll walk you right through it. Okay, so a reminder. First, check your spam or junk folder and whitelist our email. Second, for zero hassle access, join our Discord. Hit like if this helped you out. Subscribe for more lighting tips and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Discord.